These are the supercurriculars that you are going to do if you want to study a maths degree. Coming from a girl who studies economics, which is a glorified maths degree. Okay, it's not, but I have friends who studied maths at the UK's top university, and here are their recommendations. First things first, if you're applying to do maths at university and you haven't done the UK Maths Challenge, why not? Obviously, make sure you've done that, and then maths Olympiads as well. Realistically, anybody applying for maths at university is going to have very good grades in A-level maths and A-level further maths. So what makes you stand out? How can you demonstrate that you're good at math? How can you prove to the admission staff that you are going to be better at maths than all of those other people who've got A star in maths and A star in further maths? For maths, you really have to demonstrate that you're interested in maths and the maths that you do at university, because it's very different. You're just applying concepts in A-level maths and A-level further maths. The maths at university becomes so much more theoretical, and it's not just about learning a process and applying it to something. And you need to demonstrate that you have an interest in that through your supercurriculars. For example, I did 2 maths A-levels, I got A stars in each. Could I do maths at university? Probably not. If you are interested to see what maths at university would be like, consider watching some lectures. So Oxford University have some publicly available lectures from the Oxford University Maths Club. UK Maths Trust has extra challenges. Question lectures are really great if you want to focus on one particular topic in more detail, which I think makes for a fantastic personal statement, because you're not broad, you're talking about what you are interested in specifically. In terms of reading recommendations, I want to split them up into categories. If you want to read something about the history of maths, and this is going to be the focus of your statement, consider The Man Who Knew Infinity, A Mathematician's Apology, Alan Turing, The Enigma. There are so many books about the history of maths that I don't have time to name them. Next section, actually doing maths and problem solving. I've had a few people recommend to me how to solve it and how to think like a mathematician, but there are so many for this as well about actually how you do the maths rather than the history and the theory behind it. A book that I've actually read is To Infinity and Beyond. I've heard good things about The Mathematical Experience and Archimedes' Revenge. In terms of podcasts that you can listen to, just anything by BBC Radio 4. And go and look something up that you are particularly interested in. Are you really interested in imaginary numbers, or are you really interested in a specific area of statistics? Make sure that you're going to be taught about that on the university courses you're applying to, and talk about how you are excited to learn about it and what you have done to study that beyond the A-level specification. If you found this video helpful, comment the subject you want to see next, and follow for more daily personal statement tips.